Hello guys, Nebel Times here, welcome to a new video, and today I'm gonna show you how you can convert your HEIC photos to JPEG on your iPhone. Okay, so a couple weeks ago Apple released iOS 17, which for the first time allows you to convert your photos from the native iPhone, where it's not just the iPhone, but the high efficiency format that it's usually taken in, to JPEG straight from the Photos app. And it's a very simple trick, so I'm gonna show you without further ado. Okay, so as you will see, this is a very simple process. The first thing you have to do is go to the Photos app because it's in there where it's built in. Then you need to select the photo and just open the photo, and then as you can see, this photo is in HEIF. So what we will do is select the share button because it's right here. Then you see, of course, all the places you can send it to, all the actions you can do. But here at the top there's a new thing that was new with iOS 16, that's options, and here you have a few options. And one of those options is format. Format is what we need to change. It doesn't say explicitly like this is HEIF or this is JPEG, but current, if you took the photo with your iPhone, will be the one that it is right now, so HEIF, and most compatible will be JPEG. It does say right here. So yeah, we just say done and we share it. Now we do need to share it in order for this to convert actually. But yeah, so be sure to select a source that will not degrade the image. iMessage is a good one. Just have someone to share it to, like say like, oh, I'm gonna share this. And then you can just click the photo. We will save it, and you will see how if we go to the new one, it is JPEG. So yeah, as you saw, super simple process. If you like this picture, actually it is from an upcoming video, so if you like it, don't forget to subscribe. But yeah, this is the process. Now let's go ahead and finish the video. Okay, so as you saw, this is a that simple process. Pretty much the only thing you need to do is to have iOS 17 installed. Now iOS 17 is available for iPhones 10s, 10R and later. So iPhone 10s, 10R for 11, 11 Pro, 12, 12 Pro, 13, 13 Pro, and 14, 14 Pro, and 15, 15 Pro, of course. And yeah, so this was pretty much the video. Very simple trick. I hope I could help you. If you have any questions about this, please leave them down below in the comments. And also I have a similar video showing how to convert HEIC files to JPEG on Mac. So if you don't want to miss it, you have somewhere around here. If you like this video and found it helpful, please thumbs up because it really helps the channel. And if you like Apple in general and want to see more content like this, then you should subscribe because that also helps out the channel and it helps out you because you won't miss any of that. But yeah, thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.